Hello, this is Mark on my YouTube Super Puts channel. Now, today is May 9th of 2024, and first I wanted to say I was delayed about a month due to my sickness, but it was caused by a vitamin D3 deficiency, so I'm over that now. So in this setup here, explain to you what I was trying to do. This is diagram 8, and what I was trying to do was put transformers in parallel to cut down the copper losses. So I was putting a transformer in parallel with T1, and I did do that right here, see? They're connected in parallel, and then they're connected in series with A and B through this line. But when I did that, I found that a fuse or both the fuses would blow in the transformers when I did that. So what I did is I hooked up a couple capacitors to C and then joined the ends of them together. And there they are there, those two black right here, 1 and 2. And they're ceiling fan capacitors, same as size as the 6 microfarads. And that stops the fuses from blowing because they don't actually pass current through them. They appear to pass AC current. And I did the same for these, but I couldn't get the circuit to work even though the light bulb did come on. I get this buzzing sound and had to turn it off quickly because I don't know what the buzzing sound was caused by, Was it just one transformer or more than one? I don't know. So I disconnected those parallel ones and I just used 2 here for T2 and T3. And what happened was I had both these light bulbs connected to the outputs of that one and that one. And when I plugged it in, it burnt the bulbs right out. So I figured there was too much voltage or current or something. So later what I did, I hooked up the meter to one of them and measured 240 volts. That's way too much because it's supposed to be 120 volts. And the other one should be 240 volts too. So actually there's 480 volts available. So these capacitors are somehow multiplying the voltage. So there's 120, 120, 240. It doubles the voltage to 480 volts. So what I'm going to do now is plug it in and show you the voltage here on the meter. And I have to unplug it real quickly because you hear the buzzing because the extra voltage over it is somehow causing that buzzing sound. So I'll turn it on here. And hopefully it'll work. Well, just hope I don't wreck my transformer when it buzzes too long. Oh, it's supposed to buzz and it's not buzzing. It's measuring 143 volts. Wasp killer. It was buzzing last time I plugged it in. Maybe it's working now. That one measures 135. Oh, that ruined my plans. Okay, that's more correct then. But I don't know what was buzzing when I plugged it in before I made start the video. Okay, maybe that's working now. Okay, well that's good then. I'll try to figure out what happened and write it in the description or comments. Okay, thank you very much for watching.